Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So here is the art print I made, and I find that a lot of our friends may have very good equipment, and I know digital download right now is a thing, so I made it into digital download. You can either choose to buy the art print. I made this art print. There is a teeny tiny little crack, a little dark mark. It's because I use a very heavy, thick paper. So the quality, the front side, the quality is really good. And you can feel the texture. It's not watercolor texture, but very much like the watercolor felt texture. Whoa, we can zoom in. Isn't it fantastic? This is an art print. And I will link the paper so that you can see it, okay? Okay, so here is the paper. And so far, I found this paper is one of the best for my painting. And I have bought some even thicker paper, and because it's so thick, so heavyweight. So I think this is just about right. And the color, I like this color. And the computer a little bit lose its image, the reality of the color. And the color is not too shiny blue, that royal blue, cyan blue. It looks a little bit sapphire, a little bit darker, and it feels more antique and more romantic. So here is the paper I use. Not trying to advertise for them, but they do have some just the right paper. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye, friends. So here, this is my online shop. And you can see this is the digital download. And so that's the digital download. This is a picture. And I have 3 files. You can see I have 3. When you purchase it, you will find I have 3 files. 1 JPEG, 1 PDF, 1 PNG. You may not need to use them, just on the side, take as a reference. If you do not, if you want to try out, use low resolution to do some tryout. You will find which one is the best. I would suggest use the PDF, and my painting comes out of a PDF, and use the highest quality setting, and the format is 11 by 8.5 inches. It's the US letter size. We usually use this paper. Anyway, thank you very, very, very much for your support. And I have another digital download. This one is also digital download. It is this, and I have up to now I have 4 digital download, and here is another one. See, this is the digital download. You can see the picture. I made this out of the presentation I made out of Google Slide. If you want to know how to make Google Slide, let me know. Maybe I can do a video of it. So use Google Slide. You can make a little bit mock-up. You can make it, but it's just a different choice of presenting. Anyway, thank you very, very, very much for your kind support. I do enjoy making cookies, making jams, and especially now I am interested in developing new flavors of jams. So this one is a hint of chili, sweet and sour, spicy, sweet, sour, and spicy lemon curd. So the other day, I just suddenly get an idea. How about make it a little bit spicy? So I soak that chili flake, the crushed pepper flake, red chili flake, in water. So it's not fresh chili. If I use fresh chili, I cannot control the spiciness. Some chili is just too spicy. Some does not even have a taste. And it tastes a little bit vegetable, like savory food. So I only need the spiciness out of it. So I use chili flake and soak in water, in hot boiling water, for half an hour, 1 hour, and then drain the water. I do not use all this water, only a teeny tiny little bit of water, something like within one of this jar, maybe 1 small spoonful of water, or half, 1 teaspoonful of this water, and cook with, this is the percentage, the proportion of the chili water, and then sugar, egg, and salt, and butter and starch, all these things. And I tasted. It is unspeakable, actually, unspeakable. I did not even notice it. And there is not at all strong. It's a hint of chili. And when I finish it, I start to feel a little bit after taste, after interest, after some amuse-bouche, this something interesting in the mouth. So that is it. It goes very well when you do some savory, sweet, sour, spicy, just perfect. Put on cracker, put on cold meat, put together with cheese, some hard cheese, soft cheese, maybe not. Brie, maybe not, but Comté, Manchego, Beaufort, Emmental, Gouda, yeah, this kind of cheese. Oh, I'm taking too much of your time. Thank you very, very, very much. And that's my shop, those little things. I need to take some better picture than this, right? And see, this picture looks so lovely, right? Oh, it's especially for Valentine. It's just so lovely. Bye bye, my friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye.